Hi, dear colleagues. This video tutorial is about newly introduced features in AIMS Plus, subject teacher comments, class teacher responsibilities, and campus head responsibilities. First, we'll start with the subject teacher, how a subject teacher can enter subject coursework marks. As per practice, select exam, subject coursework marks, select the relevant class section, subject. It depends whether you select a single student or leave it to select, then all students will appear on the screen. Do not forget to enter whole numbers only, no decimal values for the class learning this term. Enter the coursework marks for all the students and simply click save to save the record. Or you can press enter at any time to save your record. And for the subject comments, go to marks entry, select subject comments, select a relevant class section, and same way if you leave the students to select, then all students will appear, and if you select a particular student, it will select that relevant student for you. Then two comments in favor of the students, really pleased with the students this and this performance, and the same way where a teacher sees that this child needs an improvement in algebra and geometry, etc. Also select the effort, good, very good, excellent, looking at the student's performance over the term, and simply click save or press enter at any time to save your record. This is how a subject teacher can complete the student marks entries and subject comments. Now we'll come to class teacher responsibilities. A class teacher simply needs to log in and select term attended days. And this teacher is a class teacher for class 7C. The responsibility of a class teacher is to enter attended term days for each student. Like total term days will appear as working days, which are entered by campus login, and then simply you have to enter attended days by each student in your class section, and simply press enter or click save at the bottom to save your record. This is all for a class and subject teacher. Now we will quickly log in as a campus head, and to see how a campus head can perform the review and editing responsibility of the comments. Login using campus login and go to results. Let it come, and in results menu you will see view subject comments. Simply go to view subject comments. If you select a class section and do not select a subject, then for all subjects the comments and effort grading will appear for review, and if you select a particular subject, then that subject will be displayed. Like you can see all the subjects now for each and every student, and if you select a particular subject and term, then that subject will appear for review. The subject comments will appear here under subject comments, then effort grading will appear against it, and edit column. Once the comments and effort grading is entered, a campus head can simply click on edit button and edit the comments or grading for any student as per requirement. Further, to facilitate the campuses, there is a follow-up report available in every campus login where a campus can see the result completion status for a class section or entire campus. First you have to select the session, and if you select a class it will display for that particular class, and if you leave it to select, then it will display for all class levels. As you can see in the title of the report, result status incomplete students. So this report will only display those students who have a pending entry. If the result entries are completed, those students will be filtered out from this report. As now we'll quickly look at this. CA continuous assessment, coursework entries, comments and effort entries. Comment and effort grading, it will take as one entry. Attendance, no, that means days attended. and first name available, yes. So as you see, yes for almost all, and if there is no, do ensure that first name is entered in ERP. And if a student is 8 out of 8, 8 out of 8, yes, yes, then that student will be filtered out from this report. So this report will only give you the students who have pending entries. 1 out of 8, that means for one subject the entries are made, and for 7 it is still pending. So if there is even one entry pending, that student will appear on this report. That's how you can look at the result completion status using your campus login. Thank you.